Now coming back to the continents and oceans, what is continent? Continent are the masses of land, the large pieces of land. A mass of land, large pieces of land is called continent. বড় বড় জমিনের টুকরোগুলো যেটা আছে বড় বড়, that is continent. ওটা continent. আর যত জল, that is ocean. Did you understand? বড় বড় ocean, that is large bodies of water is called oceans. Now we have 7 continents. এইরকম মাটির টুকরোগুলো 7টা আছে, অ্যান্ড জলের যে বডিজ, দ্য থিং জল আছে সমুদ্রগুলো, দ্যাট ইজ 5 ওশন। সমুদ্র না, মহাসাগর, দ্যাট ইজ সাগরগুলো, দ্যাট ইজ 5. Did you understand? Now we will see, you see the earth picture, the more of the land, see the earth is covered with water, more water, বেশি জল, আর পৃথিবীটা খুব কম আছে, যত নীল দেখছো, that is all the blue part is all the water, and the other parts green, brown you are seeing and white, that is the earth. Did you understand? Now if you see here, you will find the clear picture. See how much this blue portion, how much of portions are there. See, everything is blue, like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 oceans. And just see how many continents are there. See, you have North America, South America, Africa, Asia, then Europe, Australia. You see, you have these 7 continents. এই যে টুকরোগুলো, জমিনের টুকরোগুলো, that is called continents. 7টা continent গুনে, and this is ocean. এই জল সমুদ্র মহাসাগর, that is 5. Did you understand? So we have, we start from the A. Alphabetically you go for A, that is Africa or Antarctica. Okay, now in a way I will teach you, when I give you the question answers I will go accordingly so that you will learn it easily. Now it is Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, South America. Mostly all the places are with A, and only one with Europe. And did you understand? Africa is with A, Antarctica is with A, Asia is also with A, Australia is also with A, Europe is the only place which is with E, and North America NA, and South America SA. Did you understand? Asia is the smallest among all the continents. সব থেকে বেশি Asia is the largest continent. সব থেকে বড় হচ্ছে Asia, and সব থেকে ছোট হচ্ছে Australia. The biggest, the largest continent is Asia. See how big Asia is, and others are not that big, অত বড় না. And here the smallest continent is Australia. সব থেকে ছোট হচ্ছে Australia. Okay, now Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. We are having 5 oceans. So Arctic Ocean, we go on top. Arctic Ocean, like I taught you in the map how we go on top. Arctic Ocean, ठीक है? Arctic Ocean, and there we come in the middle. Atlantic Ocean, come here, come this side, Atlantic Ocean. Did you understand? Then come this side, it will be Indian Ocean. Okay, and this side, this hand, Pacific Ocean, and this side also Pacific Ocean, and down towards your leg, under your legs, mati tumar paoe tola, Southern Ocean. Did you understand? That is called Southern Ocean. So what did I tell you? Arctic Ocean, and then this side, which side is this? Left side, Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean, and Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Southern Ocean. তো কত হলো? 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is also Pacific, is all around. So, and this is 5. Did you understand? You will learn it, and that way it will be easy for you. So you will learn like north, south, east and west. You learn like that. Which hand you eat east, and this hand west. So in the same way you are going to learn Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, okay, Pacific Ocean, no, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean. These two will be Pacific Ocean and down will be Southern Ocean. Did you understand? Now here the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, because see, you're having in this side also, all Pacific Ocean, and it's coming till the middle down. You just see the map, you'll know. See, Pacific Ocean এই পুরো Pacific Ocean, এটা পুরো Pacific Ocean, ঠিক আছে? Arctic Ocean মাত্র এইদিকে, আর Indian Ocean মাত্র এইদিকে, আর Atlantic Ocean মাত্র এইদিকে। তো Pacific Ocean হচ্ছে সব থেকে বড়, yes, and the southern Pacific Ocean is the largest and Arctic Ocean is the smallest. এটা সব থেকে ছোট, এইটুকু টুকু। তো দ্যাট ইজ Arctic Ocean, সব থেকে ছোট, and Pacific Ocean. If you learn it like this, action দিয়ে তোমরা পড়বে, তো এটা তোমরা এমনি বলে দেবে, Arctic Ocean সব থেকে ছোট and Pacific Ocean সব থেকে বড়. Did you understand now? I'll come back. Next, third paragraph.